Good evening, students. Online students, am I audible? Okay. So today we will cover direction sense. But before I start with the type of direction sense, let us cover the basic which we are going to use for this topic, direction sense. One basic thing is about the direction only. We have four main direction: north, south, east, west. So north, south, west, east. But total we take 8 direction. Okay. Between north and east, northeast. Between south and east, southeast. Here we take southwest, and here we take northwest. Total 8 direction. Okay, if you arrange some puja at your home, पंडित जी 10 दिशाएं बोलते हैं, ठीक है? वो दो कौन सी? एक ऊपर एक नीचे, ठीक है? We will manage only 8. We will not do 3D type of things. So 8 direction we follow: north, south, west, east, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Total angle 360 degree. If you divide by 8, so each segment make an angle of 45 degree. So what you will find here, this angle here is 45 degree. Here this angle here is 45 degree, 45 degree, 45 degree. So each and every angle here is 45 degree. Okay, one thing is this. Second thing is we have one more type on this direction sense where we use Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle. दया को भेजना एक बार. We have one of the triangle, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is where one angle is 90 degree. That is right angle triangle. Now here this is we call perpendicular. This is called base. This is called hypotenuse. We have one Pythagoras theorem. We call it as PT, Pythagoras theorem. All of you, I think, have idea about Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem suggests this hypotenuse square is nothing. It is perpendicular square plus base square. This is this theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So here, if we need hypotenuse, we take square root on both sides. So it will be square root of p square plus b square. Like we try. If I tell you this perpendicular is 4 meter and this base is 3 meter, we have to find what is the length of this hypotenuse. So it will be under root 4 square plus 3 square. So it will be under root 16 plus 9. It is under root 25. So it is 5. Okay. Try one more question. And we use right angle triangle क्योंकि यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है, तो only from geometry mensuration right angle triangle will help you for direction sense question. Like for example, this perpendicular is 12 meter and this base is 5 meter. Find what is the length of hypotenuse. मतलब इतना क्यों डिस्कशन करना है? लेक्चर नंबर 27 है कि 28 है? डायरेक्शन सेंस पे फोकस करो. 27 28 पे मत फोकस करो. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स टॉपिक पे फोकस करो. आई विल कवर ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक, डोंट वरी. नंबर डजंट मैटर एंड एज डजंट मैटर. क्या आ रहा है? 13 आ रहा है ना. तो इट इज अंडर रूट 12 स्क्वायर प्लस 5 स्क्वायर. इट इज अंडर रूट 144 प्लस 25 अंडर रूट 169 विच इज 13. So it is 30. वी हैव वन थिंग कॉल्ड पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट. ट्रिपलेट जहां पे तीन चीजें होती हैं, तो पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट, परपेंडिकुलर, बेस, हाइपोटेन्यूज. When I will cover geometry and mensuration, I give a big table. I give you a big table. Today I give you just two value. It is 4, 3, it is 5. If it is 12, it is 5, it is 30. Because in exam, you can't afford to calculate this value. If it is given perpendicular is 12 meter, base is 5 meter, hypotenuse is asked, directly you have to say 13 meter. You can't afford to take 30 seconds for this small calculation. It has to be on your tips. It is a right angle triangle where perpendicular 4 meter, base 3 meter, hypotenuse you directly say 5 meter without any calculation. ऐसा ना हो कि ये small चीजों के लिए भी calculation करने बैठ जाए. I give you 6 value when I will discuss geometry mensuration. मैं Pythagorean triplet में जैसे एक value हो रहा है, I just give you example 35, 12, 37, 15, 8, 17. We have a big table I will share with you when I will discuss geometry mensuration with you. ठीक है, जैसे 49, 41 है, 40 और 9 मिलके 41 दे देता है हाइपोटेन्यूज. ओके, चलो. नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद टाइप 1. डायरेक्शन सेंस एंगल 45 डिग्री. ठीक है, हर सेगमेंट में एंगल 45 डिग्री है. Because total angle 360 degrees, so this angle is 45 degree, this angle is also 45 degree, this angle is 45 degree, this is 45, 45, 45. There is one more concept which I will teach when I will take that type. So now here you have handout with you type 1 question. Type 1 question is about like shadow question. And here time mention is sunrise or sunset. Morning time given, sunrise time given, or maybe sunset timing is given, where we have sun in a particular direction. And we use sunrise, sunset only. Okay. Now here, question number 1. Let me solve two questions for you step by step. Let me explain this type, short trick for this type, then you will be comfortable. Question here is, one morning, Uday and Vishal. So first thing you have to observe time, morning time. Because what is important here, let us see the concept. During the morning time, this is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. So during morning time, where is sun? Sun is in the east direction. And if there are two persons talking face to face here, where will be their shadow? Their shadow will be towards west. मॉर्निंग में अगर सन ईस्ट की तरफ है तो उनकी शेडो जो है वो दूसरी तरफ बनेगी. एंड इफ इट इज इवनिंग टाइमिंग, दिस इज नॉर्थ, साउथ, वेस्ट, ईस्ट. इवनिंग टाइमिंग, हियर सन इज इन द वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. सो हियर इफ यू सी दिस शेडो विल बी टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट. शेडो जो होगा वो दूसरी तरफ बनेगा. अगर सन इस तरफ तो शेडो इस तरफ होगा. सोर्स ऑफ द लाइट, like I'm standing here, if source of the light is here, my shadow will be in this direction. If the source of light here, my shadow will be in other direction. Fine. So what is important here? We observe the time. पहली चीज आपने ऑब्जर्व करनी है टाइम. It is given one morning. Uday, Vishal talking to each other face to face at a crossing. If Vishal's shadow was exactly to the left of Uday, second thing you have to observe left of Uday. किसकी शेडो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. विशाल शेडो इज टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ उदय. वेयर इज द शेडो विद रिस्पेक्ट टू उदय? इट इज लेफ्ट ऑफ उदय. जो शेडो जो है वो उदय के लेफ्ट में है. ओके, देन दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. सो स्टेप नंबर 1, what we have to do, we have to take morning time in this question. So you take, this is north direction, this is south, this is west, this is east, एंड हियर मॉर्निंग टाइम सन जो है वो इस डायरेक्शन में है. Then step number 2, there are two person, Uday and Vishal. They were talking to each other face to face. So I tell you, if sun is in this direction, where will be shadow? In this direction. Shadow will be towards west. Shadow will be in this direction. See here, second important step is who observe the shadow. Shadow is left of Uday. So what you do, you assume yourself as a part of question. You assume yourself as Uday. आप अपने आप को उदय मानो. And you make your position such that you find the shadow is left of you. आपके left में shadow. दो ही केस हैं. First case, I assume myself as Uday and I assume this person is Uday and Uday is facing this direction, and whereas source of light or sun is in this direction. Sun इधर है, उदय इधर है, उदय का फेस इस तरफ है, उदय के आगे विशाल खड़ा है. उदय एंड विशाल आर टॉकिंग फेस टू फेस. Sun is in the east and our shadow is towards the west. Now tell me, if I'm Uday, where is the shadow of Vishal? My right. It is not my left. This side is my right. So it means it is wrong. This person cannot be Uday. फिर बचा क्या? Other person has to be Uday. Just assume कि सन इधर है, I'm उदय, माई फेस इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन, सामने मेरे विशाल खड़ा है और विशाल और मेरी दोनों की शेडो इस तरफ है, विच इज लेफ्ट ऑफ माई डायरेक्शन और लेफ्ट ऑफ उदय. तो इट मीन्स दिस पर्सन इज उदय. I repeat, first you have to observe the time. If it is morning time, you take sun in the east direction. Second thing is you have to observe shadow किसके रिस्पेक्ट में दी है? Left of उदय. So you have to assume yourself as Uday. So you identify out of this two person who is Uday. आपको इन दोनों में से उदय निकालना है. आप इसको उदय मान लो, तो आपको लगा शेडो तो राइट में है, इट इज रॉन्ग, तो अदर पर्सन हैज टू बी उदय. इट मींस दिस पर्सन इज उदय, हियर इज सन एंड शेडो इज लेफ्ट ऑफ उदय. एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट. So it means this person is Uday and this person is Vishal. Uday faces towards north, Vishal faces towards south. तो उदय और विशाल इस तरीके से खड़े हैं कि उदय जो है नॉर्थ फेसिंग है एंड विशाल इज साउथ फेसिंग. सन इज इन द ईस्ट डायरेक्शन एंड देयर शैडो इन द वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. मेक डायग्राम, दैट विल बी मच इजियर. डायग्राम की हेल्प से ज्यादा इजी रहेगा. First thing, you have to take position of sun. Second thing is you have to see who observed the shadow. Left of Uday. So you have to identify who is Uday. This person is Uday or this person is Uday. This person is Uday who is facing north and Vishal is facing south. Our question is which direction was Uday facing? Uday was facing north. Wait, let me take one more question. Question number 2, one evening. So the timing is evening timing. Before sunset, Rekha and Hema were talking to each other face to face. If Hema's shadow was exactly to the right of Hema, so where is the shadow? Right of Hema. You have to identify who is Hema. आपको Hema identify करना है. You assume yourself as Hema. So step number 1, what I will take, I take this direction north, this is south, this is west, this is east, and it is the evening time, so sun is in the west direction. And these are two person talking face to face, Hema and Rekha, and their shadow will be in this direction because source of light is in that direction. अगर light उस तरफ है तो shadow इस तरफ होगी. ठीक है. आई एज्यूम दिस लेडी इज हेमा फॉर एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है, मैंने इसको हेमा मान लिया. ऐसे सोर्स यह है, शेडो का मनी लेफ्ट ऑफ हेमा. इट इज रॉन्ग. तो इट मींस दिस लेडी हैज टू बी हेमा. सारी चीजें फिट होनी चाहिए. सन इज इन द वेस्ट डायरेक्शन, शेडो इज इन द ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. हेमा का फेस इस तरीके से होना चाहिए सो दैट शेडो विल बी राइट ऑफ हेमा. So this lady Hema is correct. So other lady is Rekha. This is Hema, this is Rekha. So Rekha is facing south, Hema is facing north. So what is your question? Which direction was Rekha facing? Rekha facing south direction. तो दिस हैज टू बी रेखा सो दैट द शेडो विल बी राइट ऑफ हेमा. हेमा ऐसे होनी चाहिए ताकि उसके राइट में शेडो बने. So I repeat, first thing you have to see the position of sun. If it is morning time, sun is in the east direction. If it is evening time, sun is in the west direction. Second thing is you take two person like this and you have to take position such that so that it will fit in your question. Right of Hema, तो ये lady Hema है, दूसरी रेखा है. क्योंकि हेमा के राइट में डायरेक्शन होगी तो हेमा का फेस ऐसा होना चाहिए, तभी उसके राइट में डायरेक्शन. ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. One morning after sunrise, Vimal started to walk. During this walking, he met Stephen, who was coming from opposite direction. Vimal watched the shadow of Stephen to the right of him. मतलब जो shadow है right of Vimal है, तो you have to identify who is Vimal. Vimal निकालना है इस क्वेश्चन में. To which direction Vimal was facing? ट्राई स्टेप बाय स्टेप, टेक योर टाइम, मेक डायग्राम. पहले सन की पोजीशन ले लो, फिर 2% लो, फिर देखो कि कैसे पोजीशन बनेगी ताकि जो शेडो है राइट ऑफ विमल हो जाए. Done. See here, time is given morning time. This is north, south, west, east. So sun is in the east direction. And this is Vimal and Stephen. Shadow is in the west direction. Vimal was the shadow of Stephen to the right of Vimal. Right of Vimal. I assume this is Vimal. And facing like this. Sun is here. Shadow is left of Vimal. It is wrong. So this person Vimal is wrong. So try other person. ये person अगर Vimal है, यहाँ पे sun है. Shadow is right of Vimal. Stephen की shadow भी उसके right में और Vimal की shadow भी right में. दोनों की shadow is right of Vimal. So it means this person is Vimal and this is Stephen. Stephen is facing north and Vimal is facing south. So you have to identify who is Vimal. This person is Vimal or this person is Vimal by taking care of the shadow. Where is shadow? Right of Vimal. अगर इसको Vimal मानेंगे तो shadow left में बन रही है. That's why it is wrong. So it means this person is Vimal, other person is Stephen. There are two doubts. Generally, student in classes they ask doubt, sir, if it is afternoon time, so where will be shadow? अपने नीचे देखना फिर. तो देर इज नो यूज ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन क्योंकि जब व्हेन इट इज आफ्टरनून टाइम, नून टाइम, तो देर इज नॉट ए पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन वी हैव शैडो. एवरीवन हैव शैडो जस्ट डाउन बिलो. तो देर इज नो क्वेश्चन. दूसरा क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट पे सर व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग लाइक दिस, व्हाई यू आर नॉट टेकिंग लाइक दिस. दे कैन बी लाइक दिस आल्सो, फेसिंग ईच अदर, but it is the language of the question. Can you see if here is sun and these are Vimal and Stephen are talking like this, so how their shadow will be? Their shadow will be like this. It will not be left right, it will be shadow will be in front or behind. फिर लैंग्वेज बनेगी shadow is front of Vimal और shadow is behind Vimal. Okay, if language is given front and behind, then you have to take person are talking like this. The source of the light is उसी लाइन में होगा. But if it is given they are shadow is left of right, they have to face like this. आमने सामने ऐसे बात करेंगे तभी shadow left or right बनेगी. If they are talking like this, shadow will be not left right, shadow will be front or behind. एक के front में दूसरे के behind. Okay, इसके आगे shadow बनेगी और इसके पीछे shadow बनेगी. That is the idea. Okay. So now here in type 1 you have to take the time. I tell you either they give morning time or they give evening time. They will not give afternoon, night. Night में तो shadow ही नहीं बनेगी. ठीक है. और आपके रूम में जाके देखेंगे नहीं कि लाइट कौन सी डायरेक्शन में आपने लगा रखी है. They are not bother about that. They are just bother about morning time or evening time. Fine. और left and right generally they give in the question. Next is type 2. Type 2 question is like a twister question. Like question number 4. I give example for this question, like Raghu was walking in north direction. Then he turned 45 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Then he again turned 180 degree in same direction. Then he turned 90 degree in clockwise direction. In which direction he is facing now? Like for example, many of you might join like any fitness club or gym. ठीक है, वहां एक होता है ना यहाँ का फैट कम करने के लिए. Or maybe in park also we have public gym over there. There you have a twister. So you are standing there and you see beautiful or handsome face there. So you twist like 45 degree. फिर वो फेस घूम के इधर आ गया, फिर 90 डिग्री, फिर ऐसे चला गया. ओ भाई साहब, कमर अटक गई आपकी. तो ये वो क्वेश्चन है. You take a turn 45 degree anti-clockwise, then 90 degree anti-clockwise, then you take a turn clockwise. So finally, which direction you are facing? I give you two methods for this type of question. ठीक है, पहला तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is Raghu was walking in the north direction. We take this is north, south, west, east. Step by step. He turned. I think all of you know this direction is clockwise, other direction is counter or anti-clockwise. So here you can take this is north, south, west is earlier Raghu is walking in the north direction. From there he make a 45 degree anti-clockwise. So it means 45 degree anti-clockwise. So this is the face of Raghu now. 45 degree anti-clockwise. He turned 180 degree in the same direction. Same direction means anti-clockwise. 180 degree clockwise or yeah anti-clockwise or it is exact opposite. 180 degree. So it is 180 degree means now this is Raghu. This is step 1. This is step 2. This is turn 1, turn 2. Then there is a third turn. He turned 90 degree in the clockwise direction. From here 90 degree clockwise. So this is clockwise. So finally here Raghu will be facing like this. This is the third turn. This is north, this is south, this is west, east. Finally, which direction Raghu is facing? Southwest. There are 3 turns. You can make one by one. Then you can see finally which direction Raghu is facing. Southwest. Divya, southwest, not southeast. Turn 1, turn 2, turn 3. क्योंकि ये clockwise है, anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. Let us try. Question number 5, I will solve for you. Salini started walking towards her school. She is walking in east direction. From there, she turned right 90 degree. I tell you in whatever direction you are walking, other than in night in your bed. अगर अपने बेड में घूम रहे हो फिर नहीं होता वो. अगर आप चल रहे हो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में, you are walking in north direction, south, west, east. If you are making a turn towards your right, it is always a clockwise turn. Clockwise is always towards your right. If you make a turn towards your left, it is always anti-clockwise turn. किसी भी irrespective of the any direction. You are walking in any of the direction, you make a turn towards your right, means you are making a clockwise turn. आप अपने clockwise turn मार रहे हैं. So here she turned right in 90 degree, then she turned in clockwise direction 180 degree. In which direction is she facing now? So what is important here? This is north, south, west, east. Shalini is walking in the east direction. From there she turned right 90 degree. So it is 90 degree, right means clockwise. यहाँ से right ऐसा. Then she turned in clockwise 180 degree. 180 degree is exact opposite. So finally, which direction Shalini is facing? North direction. There are 2 turns, one 90 degree, other 180 degree. Now try question number 6. Raju want to go to theater, for which he started riding a bicycle in the west direction, from where he turned 225 degree in anti-clockwise direction. In which direction is he moving? वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में बाइसाइकिल चला रहा था, वहां से 225 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन टर्न लिया है, तो वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है? Done. Now here Raju, this is north, south, west, east. राजू वांट टू गो टू थिएटर, तो वो वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में अपनी बाइसाइकिल चला रहा है, टर्न 225 डिग्री इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. 225 डिग्री को कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे? 180 प्लस 45. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज 180 प्लस 45. So here finally Raju is moving in the northeast direction. 225 को you can break 180 plus 45. Now try question number 7. Sahida was walking in the southeast direction from where she turned 45 degree in clockwise direction. From where she took 90 degree turn clockwise. Which direction is she facing now? ठीक है जी. Done. First you take like north, south, west, east. Then Sahida was walking in the southeast direction. She turned 45 degree clockwise, pehla turn. From where she took 90 degree clockwise, this is 90 degree. So finally, in which direction Sahida was walking? West direction. These questions are relatively easier, where I have taken 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn. If there will be 6, 7 turn. Like for example, Raju on Friendship Day was walking in north direction. After that, taken 90 degree clockwise turn towards flower shop. "45 degree anti-clockwise turn towards chocolate shop." Then 135 degree clockwise turn towards Arches. Then 45 degree anti-clockwise turn towards स्वीट शॉप. बड़े आजकल मिठाई कोई खाता नहीं है. 90 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज टर्न टुवर्ड्स मेडिकल स्टोर, उसके गले में खराश है. फाइनली लाइक वन मोर 45 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज टुवर्ड्स द टारगेटेड प्लेस, जिस फ्रेंड से उसको मिलने जाना. देयर आर 6 टर्न. Question is finally which direction Raju is facing. See what happen you can do, but if you make 6, 7 turn, it will be time consuming and chances that we get a wrong answer. So what I prefer, if there are more than 2 or 3 turn to handle this type of question, I do some calculation. We are learning mathematics, we can use mathematics. So what I do, I make a table. Clockwise I take plus, anti-clockwise I take minus. What I will do, first turn I take plus 90. It is minus 45. Then plus 135. This is minus 45. This is plus 90. This is minus 45. कुछ cancel out करना है तो you can do 45, 45, 90. You can cancel out. इसमें से 45 चला जाएगा 90. और यू कैन एड इट. अगर नहीं कैलकुलेट कर पा रहे हो तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू जस्ट एड. तो इट विल बी प्लस 225 डिग्री माइनस 45 डिग्री. व्हाट इज द नेट रिजल्ट? प्लस 180 डिग्री. प्लस मीन्स क्लॉकवाइज. डोंट मेक 6 टर्न. व्हाट यू डू, Raju is walking in the north direction. Your net result is plus 180 degree. You make a single turn of 180 degree clockwise. So here after making this 6 turn, you will find Raju is facing south direction. या तो यहीं पे आप 6 टर्न लगाओगे, that will be confusing. What you do, clockwise you take plus, anti-clockwise you take minus, you do calculation, your net result, if it is positive clockwise, if it is negative anti-clockwise, it is coming plus 180 degree, means overall Raju make a turn of 180 degree clockwise. So you make a single turn of 180 degree clockwise. There is no need to make 6 turns. So if you have more number of turn, more number of like clockwise, anti-clockwise, you do calculation and you get answer. Like let me ask you a question. Like there is Mr. X who is facing north direction. From there, overflow कर रहा है क्या वो बता? Mr. X facing north direction. वो बोतल भर गई है, वो खाली करो उसको. From there, Mr. X make 90 degree clockwise turn. लिख लो. First turn is 90 degree clockwise. Then 135 degree anti-clockwise. Then 90 degree clockwise. 45 degree anti-clockwise. Here 135 degree clockwise. 90 degree anti-clockwise. Raju or Mr. X makes total 6 turn. First turn from north direction 90 degree clockwise, then one for 35 degree anti-clockwise, 90 degree clockwise, 45 degree anti-clockwise, 135 degree clockwise, 90 degree anti-clockwise. After making this 6 turn, finally which direction Mr. X is facing? That is my question. Okay. If you make 6 turn, it will be more time consuming and confusing. My simple rule is clockwise I take plus, so it is plus 90. This is minus 135. This is plus 90. This is minus 45. This is plus 135 minus 90. 135, 135 cancel out. 90, 90 cancel out. 90 minus 45 plus 45 degree. Overall, you just make single turn of 45 degree clockwise, you get your answer. So Mr. X in starting facing north direction. So here from north direction, you make a single turn of 45 degree clockwise. So here Mr. X is facing northeast direction. That is your answer. ठीक है, अगर सिंगल टर्न है, 2 टर्न है तो बेटर है डायग्राम पे बना लेना. अगर मोर देन 3 टर्न है, यू डू प्लस माइनस, यू टेक नेट कैलकुलेशन, यू मेक ए सिंगल टर्न. दिस इज एडवाइसेबल. नेक्स्ट इज टाइप 3 क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. If north becomes southwest, मतलब we change our compass in such a way the north direction becomes southwest now. जो अपना डायरेक्शन वाला है उसको इस तरीके से चेंज कर दिया. नाउ नॉर्थ बिकम साउथवेस्ट, साउथवेस्ट बिकम ईस्ट, व्हाट विल वेस्ट बिकम? एंड आई टेल यू इन दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जनरली दे गिव 2 information. North become this, this become this, then what this become? We need only 1 information. I give you a short trick. By the help of that, by using only this single information, we get the answer. We don't need 2 information. Generally examiner give 2 information. Like question number 9. If east becomes southwest, southeast become west, then what will northeast become? South becomes southeast, west becomes southwest, what will east become? So I tell you, we have a short trick where we don't need this complete information. Only single information is sufficient to find the answer. How to handle it? I tell you. North becomes southwest. What is given in question number 8? North become southwest. Okay. First, you make your normal direction, normal compass. All of us, we take this north, we take this south, we take this west, we take this east. So here, question suggests north becomes southwest. This is north, it becomes southwest. you see the change. 90 plus 45, 135 degree एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. मतलब एक बंदर आया, बंदर ने इसको कितना घुमा दिया, 135 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, सो दैट नॉर्थ बिकम साउथ वेस्ट. So our compass respectively rotated in such a way that each and every direction will be 135 degree anti-clockwise rotation they feel. Now what is your question number 8? Question क्या है? What will west become? अब वो बोल रहे कि west क्या बन जाएगा. So what you can do, here only you can check, but so that there is no confusion, west. You apply the same effect on west. वेस्ट भी 135 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घुमा दो. इफ वेस्ट फील ए रोटेशन ऑफ 135 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, 90 प्लस 45, 135, so what is this? South east direction. So west will become southeast, so your answer is southeast. Your overall compass faces a change of 135 degree anti-clockwise. I repeat, if north becomes southwest, it means 90 plus 45, we feel a change of 135 degree in direction. हमारी डायरेक्शन इस तरह से चेंज होगी, ओवरऑल 135 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज का चेंज है. तो इन द वेस्ट ऑल्सो यू अप्लाई 135 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंड इट विल बिकम साउथ ईस्ट. लेट मी टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 इज ईस्ट बिकम साउथ वेस्ट. Then question is what will northeast become? मेरे को एक ही इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए. I don't need two information. Information given here is east becomes southwest, north, south, west, east. This east becomes southwest. What is the southwest? This direction. It is 90 plus 45, 135 degree clockwise. So what changes we face in our direction? 135 degree clockwise. So each and every direction face the same change, 135 degree clockwise. Now question number 9, northeast become. तो northeast क्या बन जाएगी? Here this is north, northeast. तो northeast में भी 135 degree clockwise लगा लो, 45 plus 90. So northeast will become south. जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट है वो साउथ बन जाएगी आफ्टर एक्सपीरियंस ए चेंज ऑफ 135 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज. जो चेंज यहां है वो चेंज इसमें लगेगा. यू गेट द आंसर. हाँ, वो तो एक ही बात है. वी टेक दैट एंगल विच इज लेसर देन 180 डिग्री. जो एंगल 180 से छोटा है वो लूंगा मैं. इसमें एंटी क्लॉकवाइज 225 डिग्री है, वो भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन टेक, यू टेक सेम. इफ यू आर टेकिंग क्लॉकवाइज हियर ऑल्सो यू टेक क्लॉकवाइज. इफ यू आर टेकिंग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हियर, यू अप्लाई एंटी क्लॉकवाइज हियर. बट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंगल बड़ा है, 180 से बड़ा है. आई प्रेफर छोटा. ये जो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंगल देखोगे ना, इसमें एंटी क्लॉकवाइज एंगल इज 180 प्लस 45, 225 डिग्री. तो यहां पे भी लगा दो 225 डिग्री. 180 प्लस 45, 225 डिग्री. आंसर विल बी सेम. बट इफ यू आर टेकिंग क्लॉकवाइज हियर, you apply clockwise here. If you are considering anti-clockwise here, you apply anti-clockwise here. Let me take one more question. Question number 10. South becomes southeast. देखो, south becomes southeast. ठीक है, ये साउथ साउथ ईस्ट हो रहा है. तो आई विल नॉट टेक दिस बिगर एंगल. मैं इतना बड़ा एंगल क्यों लूंगा? मैं ये एंगल देखूंगा ना, 45 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट इज देयर. छोटा एंगल लूंगा ना, इजी है. साउथ बिकम साउथ ईस्ट, वेस्ट बिकम साउथ वेस्ट. व्हाट विल ईस्ट बिकम? तो ईस्ट में भी क्या करने का है? 45 डिग्री एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इफेक्ट लगा दो. सो योर आंसर इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट. If south becomes southeast, then east will become northeast. Are you getting the point? My point is, whatever changes you feel here, same changes you have to apply here. Same change. If you are taking clockwise here, you apply clockwise. If you are taking anti-clockwise here, apply anti-clockwise. I prefer angle which is lesser than 180. मैं छोटा एंगल कंसीडर करता हूं. It's up to you. Try question number 11. Take your time and keep your answer with yourself. Question number 11. If southwest become east, northwest become south, what will southeast become? Southwest become east. Now this is southwest. It become east. What is this angle? 90 plus 45, 135 degree. And what is this direction? Anti-clockwise. That direction experience 135 degree anti-clockwise turn. Our question is southeast become. So this is the southeast direction. You apply the same effect 135 degree anti-clockwise. This is 90 plus 45. So here southeast will become north. I think all of you got answer no. Okay. Next is type 4. Type 4 here is we have 3 questions in type 4. So you have to be careful what is asked. Like question number 12. How many of you have basic idea of geometry mensuration? Basic idea. सबको है ना? Rahul started from his home to reach theater, cycle 5 kilometers in north direction. Then he turned towards left and cycle 3 kilometers. Then turn left, cycle 5 kilometers. Okay, this is given. After that, there can be 3 questions. One is already asked. That in what direction is he from his home? Okay, he is in which direction with respect to his home? मतलब वो होम के रिस्पेक्ट में किस डायरेक्शन में? दिस इज वन क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड विच डायरेक्शन राहुल इज फेसिंग नाउ. राहुल का फेस अब किस डायरेक्शन में है? तो विच डायरेक्शन इज राहुल फेसिंग नाउ. यू कैन राइट. इसमें ये भी पूछ सकते हैं विच डायरेक्शन इज राहुल फेसिंग नाउ. फाइनली राहुल किस डायरेक्शन को फेस करके खड़ा है या चल रहा है? Which direction is Rahul facing now? Third question is find the distance between his starting point and last point. Find the distance between his starting point and last point. इसको लैंग्वेज ऐसे भी दे देगा how far he is from his home. Starting point and end point. How far? What is the distance between starting point and the last point? इसी को rephrase कैसे करते हैं? How far he is from the starting point or from his home. Okay. Let us handle one by one. Now here, Rahul started from his home to reach theater, cycle 5 kilometers in the north direction. In this type of question, you assume yourself as a part of question. This is the home. Rahul cycle for 5 kilometers in the north direction. So this is 5 kilometers in the north direction. We take is north, south, west, east. Then he turned towards left and cycle 3 kilometers. You assume yourself as a part of question. If you are cycling in this direction, then I ask you turn towards your left. Tell me left will be that direction or this direction. यू एज्यूम योर सेल्फ एज ए पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन। आप साइकिल ऐसे चला रहे हो और आपने लेफ्ट लिया 3 किलोमीटर आप लेफ्ट में, क्योंकि नॉर्मल राहुल है ये, सर्कस वाला राहुल नहीं कि उल्टा साइकिल चला रहा है, ठीक है। इट इज अ नॉर्मल प्रोसेस। डोंट एज्यूम कि उल्टा साइकिल चला रहा है तो फिर लेफ्ट इधर हो जाएगा। इट इज नॉर्मली लाइक वॉकिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन 3 किलोमीटर लेफ्ट, then turn left and cycle 5 kilometer. Tell me from this direction I have to take left 5 kilometer. तो where I have to take left? नीचे या ऊपर? जो जो ऊपर जा रहा है घर अकेले मत जाना, ठीक है। आपका डायरेक्शन का लोचा है। From if I'm walking in this direction, my left in this direction. तो मेरा लेफ्ट ये है 5 किलोमीटर। Which direction Rahul is facing now? South. तो दूसरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो हो गया साउथ। Which direction is Rahul facing now? South. राहुल का फेस साउथ में है। But there is a question, he is in which direction with respect to his home? West. अपने घर से वेस्ट में है। उसके घर से उसके पापा जी उसको ढूंढने निकलेंगे, अगर वो साउथ में चले जाएंगे वो तो कहीं और निकल लेंगे, ठीक है। वो भी कहीं और मूवी देखने निकल लेंगे, उनको ढूंढना तो उनको वेस्ट में जाना पड़ेगा। ही इज इन विच डायरेक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू हिज होम? वेस्ट। विच डायरेक्शन ही इज फेसिंग नाउ? साउथ। उसका फेस साउथ में है बट वो अपने घर से वेस्ट में। Now the third question, how far he is from his home? It doesn't mean they ask this distance, they ask the shortest distance. What is the distance between starting point and last point, or how far he is from the starting point? It means we have to find the shortest distance. There is a point called distance versus displacement. I don't know how many of you studied physics in 11-12, but ये simple चीज है, distance versus displacement. Total distance covered by Rahul is 5 plus 3 plus 5. Displacement itself means shortest distance, 3 kilometer. It is a rectangle, 5, 5, 3, 3. So it is 3 kilometer. How far he is from the starting point? 3 kilometer. If it is not mentioned, still you have to find the shortest distance. I tell you one example for distance versus displacement. Distance, what effort you put in your relationship. Maybe on 14th Feb, आप यहाँ रेड रोज खोज रहे हो, राजेंद्र नगर में नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है। किसी को देना है आपको, ठीक है। यू विल गो टू सीपी, यू विल नॉट गेट देयर, देन यू गो टू खान मार्केट, ठीक है। यू गो टू होज खास, ठीक है। यू गो टू गुड़गांव, ठीक है। मानेसर खेत से तोड़ के ला रहे हो आप, ठीक है। दिस इज कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस कवर्ड, द एफर्ट यू पुट। एंड व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट? व्हाट अदर विल सी। उनको तो ये लग रहा है आप 100 मीटर से आए हो चल के, ठीक है। दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट। और बताना मत कि मैं 20 किलोमीटर दूर से लाया हूं, ठीक है, मामला खराब हो जाएगा। सो व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस? टोटल डिस्टेंस। व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट? द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट। तो यहां पे क्या है? हाउ फार ही इज फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, इट इटसेल्फ मींस द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस। तो ये 5 है, ये 5 है, ये 3 है, तो इट इज ऑल्सो हैज टू बी 3। तो हाउ फार इज राहुल फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट? 3 किलोमीटर। वी हैव टू फाइंड द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस। फाइन। Now here what we will do, in each and every question we try to handle all 3 questions. What are these 3 questions? Which direction Rahul is facing now? He is in which direction with respect to starting point, and how far he is from the starting point. Let us try question number 13. Question 13 is, Sasi started walking in no direction for 2 kilometers. Then he turned to his right and walked 4 kilometers. Then again turned right and walked 2 kilometers. Then finally he turned left and walked 6 kilometers. Now he is in which direction with respect to the starting point? Not only this, which direction Sasi is facing now, and how far is Sasi from the starting point? You have to handle all 3 questions. He is facing which direction? He is in which direction with respect to starting point, and how far is Shashi from the starting point? ये 3 क्वेश्चन बनते हैं कि उसका फेस किस डायरेक्शन में है, he is in which direction with respect to starting point, and how far he is from the starting point. Take your time. Question number 13. हाँ बिल्कुल, एक ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट कह रहा है डिस्टेंस द एफर्ट व्हाट वी पुट इन यूपीएससी डिस्प्लेसमेंट फाइनल रिजल्ट, जो लोगों को दिखती है। एज्यूम योर सेल्फ एज ए पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि जब राइट लेफ्ट टर्न लेना होगा ना तो उसमें हेल्प करेगा। यू हैव टू टेक योर राइट, नॉट लाइक राइट ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑलवेज राइट। मेरे वाले में भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, दे वो भेजिए बस। इसमें हैंड आउट डाला हुआ है, ये पुराना हैंड आउट, इसमें नॉर्थ लिखा है, और हैंड आउट जो दिया नॉर्थ ईस्ट वाले दिए हैं। कौन सा हैंड आउट है इसमें? ये मैंने ये वाला डाला है, ये लिया मैंने। इसको डिलीट क्यों नहीं करते तुम? और पता नहीं अब इनको गलत हैंड आउट ना दे दिया हो, पता कैसे चलेगा? क्लास टेस्ट में कहाँ है? मुझे लग रहा है कि ये हैंड आउट सही है और बाकी सबको गलत दे दिया। यार तुम बार बार ये कैसे करते हो? सिस्टम नहीं समझ में आ रहा मेरे को। इसमें से डिलीट क्यों नहीं मार रहे? ये वाला हैंड आउट है, इसके अलावा और कौन सा इसमें? ये सही है, सबको गलत हैंड आउट दे दिया तुम्हें। ओके, आई विल गो विद द हैंड आउट जिसमें नॉर्थ ईस्ट लिखा है। शशि स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन फॉर 2 किलोमीटर। ही टर्न टू हिज राइट एंड वॉक 4 किलोमीटर। ठीक है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, चलो कोई ना, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से फॉलो कर लेंगे। तो फिर आंसर की में कुछ चेंजेस होंगे, वी विल डू दैट। तो नाउ हियर दिस इज नॉर्थ, साउथ, वेस्ट, ईस्ट. Shashi started to walking in northeast direction for 2 kilometers. Turn to his right, walk 4 kilometers. Then again turn right, walk 2 kilometers. Then finally turn left. Okay, so from here left here is 6 kilometers. Is it clear? This is northeast direction. From there right 4 kilometers, from there right 2 kilometers, then from there left 6 kilometers. Fine, this is the starting point. Here two questions are same. She is facing southeast direction and she is in the southeast direction from the starting point. That is okay. Now how far she is, it is very simple. It is 2, 2, 4. So if you draw, it will be 4 because it will be rectangle. 2, 2, 4, 4, 4 plus 6, 10 kilometer. So our answer here is southeast, ठीक है, and 10 kilometer. ठीक है. Next is question number 14. Radhika started to walk in southwest direction for 4 kilometer. She turned to her left and walked 3 kilometer. She turned right and walked 3 kilometer. Then again turn left and walk 4 kilometer. How far is she from the starting point and in which direction? Try question number 14. Okay, I take this question. Radhika started to walk in southwest direction and for 4 kilometer. So it is 4 kilometer. She turned to her left. Can we say left here? Okay. 3 kilometer. Then turn right. Right will be here. Okay. 3 kilometer. Then again turn left, walk 4 kilometer. Some student, what they do, they take 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, 3 kilometer they take on this line. ये 4 है तो ये 3 तो पीछे रहेगा. It will not touch the line. Don't do that mistake. Because it is 45-degree angle. If it is 4 kilometer, it has to be 4 kilometer to touch this line. तो यहाँ gap रहेगा पक्का. Okay. Because some students, when they touch this line, they get wrong answer. वो क्या करते हैं, इसको निकाल लेते हैं, and they get the wrong answer. They write answer 5 plus 5, 10. How many of you answered 10? Okay, that is wrong answer. Don't touch this line. And I give you an idea. In a direction sense question of this type of question, miscellaneous question, don't have a small image in your mind. Have a big image in your mind. बड़ा सोचो. छोटी ट्रायंगल के चक्कर में मत पड़ो, बड़ी ट्रायंगल के चक्कर में रहो. क्या करने का है, इसको ये 3 किलोमीटर है तो यू ड्रॉ 3 किलोमीटर, 3 किलोमीटर, 3 किलोमीटर, तो यू मेक ए बिग ट्रायंगल, सिंगल ट्रायंगल. डोंट टेक 2 ट्रायंगल. Two triangle will create problem. A single triangle will never create problem. So this is 4, this is 3. Can we say this is parallel and equal? So if it is 3, this is also 3. If it is 3, this is also 3. So can we say it becomes 7? It becomes 7. And this is a 90-degree angle. This is 7 and 7. So then we have to find it is perpendicular, it is base, this is hypotenuse. So your answer will be under root 7 square plus 7 square. It is under root 49 plus 49. It is under root 98. Correct answer is under root 98 rather than 10. Because it will not touch this line. उसको touch होने के लिए 4 किलोमीटर होना पड़ेगा. It will not touch. So my suggestion, if you have this type of diagram, don't make multiple triangle, make a big triangle. एक single triangle बना लो. This is total 4 plus 3, 7. Yes or no? This is 4 plus 3, 7. Since it is 7 and 7, then it will touch for sure. Because it is a 45-degree angle, it is a 45-degree angle. And it is a 90-degree angle. I don't know how many of you have an idea about isosceles right angle triangle. This is right angle isosceles triangle बन जाएगी. तो हमें उससे मतलब नहीं है, वो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. It is 7 and 7. So how we apply under root 7 square plus 7 square, 49 plus 49, under root 98. She is in which direction? South. And which direction she is facing? Southeast. ये southeast है, उसका face southeast में है, and she is in south direction. And what is the distance? Under root 98. In this question, 10 is a wrong answer. Correct answer is under root 98. What learning we have with the help of this question? Don't make two triangle, make a single triangle. Bigger triangle, single triangle. That will be better. एक बड़ी triangle बनाओ, वो ज़्यादा better. Fine. Now let us try one more question. तो इसमें आंसर ऑप्शन में करेक्ट कर लेना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में एक ही आंसर लिखा है, हाउ फार इज शी फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड इन विच डायरेक्शन. तो इसको लिख दो आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 अंडर रूट 98 इन साउथ डायरेक्शन फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट. अंडर रूट 98 इन साउथ डायरेक्शन फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट. डिस्टेंस अंडर रूट 98 है, किस डायरेक्शन में? साउथ में. और फेस किस तरफ है? साउथ ईस्ट की तरफ. फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट. अंडर रूट 98 इन साउथ डायरेक्शन फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. तीनों आंसर आ गए इसमें. डिस्टेंस अंडर रूट 98, विच डायरेक्शन? साउथ डायरेक्शन, फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. लेट अस ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Shivani walked 4 kilometers east, then she turned right and walked 3 kilometers. Finally, she turned left and walked 5 kilometers. How far she is in which direction with respect to the starting point? Try this question number 15. Try to make a single triangle. दो triangle मत बनाना, एक ही triangle बनाने की कोशिश करना. Done. अच्छा, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हाउ कम साउथ ईस्ट? भाई ये फेस इस तरफ है, इसको यहां ड्रॉ करोगे, ये कौन सी डायरेक्शन होगी? साउथ ईस्ट. ये साउथ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है. इट इज नॉट साउथ, इट इज नॉट ईस्ट. ये साउथ है और ये ईस्ट है. साउथ और ईस्ट के बीच में जो है वो साउथ ईस्ट होती है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन में उसका फेस साउथ ईस्ट की तरफ है साउथ में, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से कितनी दूरी पे है, √98। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, शिवानी वॉक 4 किलोमीटर इन द ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, शी टर्न राइट, वॉक 3 किलोमीटर, टेल मी वेयर इज राइट, नीचे या ऊपर, नीचे 3 किलोमीटर। फाइनली शी टर्न लेफ्ट, वॉक 5 किलोमीटर, टेल मी फ्रॉम यहां से लेफ्ट क्या होगा, कोई उधर तो नहीं जा रहा, 5 किलोमीटर, ठीक है। दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। व्हाट यू डू, यू मेक इट 3 किलोमीटर, यू मेक इट 4 किलोमीटर, इफ इट इज 4 दिस इज 4, इफ इट इज 3 दिस इज 3, तो ये टोटल बन जाएगा 4 + 5 9 किलोमीटर। तो यू कैन सी दिस ट्रायंगल और दिस ट्रायंगल, मैं ये ट्रायंगल ले लेता हूं 3 and 9, ऐसे भी ले सकते थे, सेम है। दिस इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस। व्हाट इज आवर पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, √3 स्क्वायर + 9 स्क्वायर, √9 + 81, √90। Is this clear? This is 3 and this is total 9. तो shortest distance is √90, ठीक है। Fine. Facing east direction and direction between south and east we take southeast. Facing तो इस तरफ है ना, face तो अब east की तरफ हो गया। Now next is type 5. You have to make a single triangle. That is my suggestion. Type 5. Before I take type 5, I give you one more concept which you have to remember. You have to mug up it up. North, east, south, west. North, east, south, west. North, east, south, west. ये रटना है, north, east, south, west. Why? Because here it is easy. Here it is easy. But if I put compass in such a way, this direction is north. And we have to find all the 8 directions. If it is north, tell me what will be this? East. North के बाद आएगा east. In a clockwise, after north we always have east. After east we always have south. After south we always have west. And between north and west, northwest. Between north and east, northeast. Between south and east, southeast. Between south and west, southwest. Remember, north, after north, east, after east, south, after south, we have west. One more thing, like here we put compass in such a way, this direction here is southwest, this direction here is southeast. This is southwest, this is southeast. What is common between southwest and southeast? South, तो इनका दोनों का बच्चा जो होगा वो बीच में आएगा south, common. And if it is southeast, one side is south, other side has to be ये वाली, ये वो नहीं यहाँ। अगर ये साउथ ईस्ट है एंड दिस इज साउथ ईस्ट, व्हाट इट शुड बी, ईस्ट, ईस्ट के अपोजिट वेस्ट, नॉर्थ साउथ के अपोजिट। Like, what is my point? It is not necessary always they say it is north, it is south. Sometimes there is a question where they will say this direction is northwest, this direction is northeast. They will say this direction is northwest, this direction is northeast. What is this direction? They ask. ठीक, करना क्या है? What is common? North, तो ये हो गया north. And it is northwest. North is here, other has to be west. Tell me what is this direction? East, north, east, south, west. इधर रट लो. North, east, south, west. After north east, after east south, after southwest. North, east, south, west. Like, If this direction is north, tell me which one is this or this? This. It will be south, it will be west. If this direction become north, then this direction will become east. You remember it, north के बाद east, after is south, after south west. I tell you what is the use of this. I tell you what is the use of this. Now this direction is northeast. Tell me this direction. अगर आप इसको ईस्ट लोगे ना, फिर क्या होगा, आपको इसको लेना पड़ेगा नॉर्थ. उल्टा हो जाएगा. ईस्ट के बाद कभी भी नॉर्थ नहीं आता, नॉर्थ के बाद ईस्ट आता है. तो इट मीन्स इट हैज टू बी नॉर्थ, इट हैज टू बी ईस्ट. Otherwise it will be wrong for you, because after north we have east, then we have south, then we have west. Check kar lena. If this particular direction is northeast, then it has to be north, it has to be east, because after north we experience east. Now what is the use of this concept? We have a timepiece, watch, wall clock. अपने पास घड़ी है, ठीक है. Clock we have covered, other than faulty clock. This is 12, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. And generally we take this is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. There is no problem. यहाँ पे कोई problem नहीं है. But it is given in a timepiece, it is 6:30 या 6:15. एक घड़ी में 12:15 हुई, for example. And it is placed in such a way that minute hand point towards southeast. It is not this direction. जो ये है वो ना होके कुछ और direction है. Like we have question in our handout. Then you will understand. Question number 16. Rahul put his timepiece on table in such a way that at 6 p.m. R points towards north. जनरली क्या होता है, घड़ी ऐसे होती है, 6 बजे जो R है वो साउथ की तरफ होती है. But he has put timepiece in such a way at 6 o'clock R is not pointing towards south, it is pointing towards north. In which direction the minute hand will point at 9:15 p.m. उसी घड़ी में 9:15 पे minute hand कहां पॉइंट करेगी? This is our question. So we have two methods for this question. One method is we take this direction north, this is south, this is west, this is east. According to question, Rahul put his timepiece in such a way that at 6 o'clock the R end point towards north. तो क्या होता है? Like here, this is north, south, west, east. तो here R end point towards north. और 6 बजे R end कहां होगा? 6 की तरफ. तो इसको 6 ले लोगे, इसको 12 ले लोगे, घड़ी को उल्टा कर लो. Either you adjust clock according to direction or you can adjust direction according to clock. But there is a saying, ये समय है, समय के साथ छेड़खानी नहीं करनी चाहिए, नहीं तो समय आपके साथ छेड़खानी कर लेगा. My suggestion is there are two ways. Either you will adjust the clock or you adjust the direction. It is always advisable, it is always easy to adjust the direction. Direction adjust करना easy है, clock को मत छेड़ना. When you adjust the clock, you will get confused. Clock को वैसे ही रहने दो. What is our clock? Clock ये है ना, 12, 3, 6, 9. Don't take 6 here. Keep it 12, keep it 6, keep it 3, keep it 9. लिख लो. We prefer to adjust direction rather than clock. We will adjust the direction. We prefer to adjust direction rather than clock. We prefer to adjust direction rather than clock. हम डायरेक्शन एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, वो इजी है, क्योंकि हमें पता है नॉर्थ के बाद ईस्ट, आफ्टर ईस्ट साउथ, आफ्टर साउथ वेस्ट. घड़ी में बजे 6. This is R and this is minute hand. and according question R and point towards north, so it become north. Generally we take this north, but now we have to adjust the direction. If it is north, can we say it is east, it is south, it is west? Because if you can adjust direction, that is easier. Clock ka mat chhedna, you will get confused. Adjust direction according to clock. तब इसको north ले लो, you take it as east, you take it as south, you take it as west. Okay. अब क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है 9:15, तो 9:15, 9:15, your minute hand will be towards 3, and what this 3 become actually west. So here where this minute hand will point towards west, so your answer is west. Let me take some extra question, remaining handout question you can practice. ठीक है, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. मेरे पास कुछ एक्स्ट्रा हैंडआउट में अदर देन योर क्वेश्चंस. क्या रहेगा साउथ ईस्ट में? नाइन 15 पे क्या रहेगा? ये होगी आपकी आर एंड, ये होगी मिनट हैंड. ठीक है, अगर इसको नॉर्थ ले रहे हैं, इसको साउथ ले रहे हैं, इसको ईस्ट ले रहे हैं, इसको वेस्ट ले रहे हैं, तो ये कौन सी डायरेक्शन? यही आंसर है. फिफ्टीन का मतलब क्या होता है? 15 मिनट. 15 मिनट कब होती है? 3 पे. We handle some extra question जो हैंडआउट में दिया, that you can do at your home. लिख लो, a watch read 4:30 if the minute hand faces west, when which direction the R and face? A watch read 4:30. Online students also you can write these extra questions. ये आपके हैंडआउट में अलग टाइम है. We practice this question. A watch read 4:30 if the minute hand faces west, then in which direction will the R hand face? Right? First thing you should know, 4:30 में घड़ी होती कैसे? This is 12, this is 3, 6, 9, 4, 5. R and between 4 and 5, minute hand is towards 6. 4:30 बजे ऐसे ही होते हैं. R and 4 और 5 के बीच में, minute hand 6 के ऊपर. According to this question, at 4:30 minute hand faces west. So this is the west direction. Which direction this R and is facing? Opposite of west is east. This will be north. This will be south. Tell me between south and west, what is this direction? ये कौन सी डायरेक्शन होगी जो साउथ और वेस्ट के बीच में? साउथ वेस्ट. यू एडजस्ट डायरेक्शन, डोंट एडजस्ट क्लॉक. क्लॉक को तो ऐसे ही लो, डायरेक्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन. Let me take 2-3 extra question, you will be comfortable. I repeat, at 4:30 minute hand is facing west. Opposite of west east, and we have mug up north is southwest. So this is north, this is south. Between south and west, southwest. तो ये 4 और 5 के बीच में जो डायरेक्शन होती है साउथ वेस्ट. तो आंसर इज साउथ वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन राइट. राजीव kept his watch in such a position 7:30 R and, ऐसा लिख लो, 7:30 R and point towards northeast. At 7:30, इसमें मत देखो, इसमें अलग टाइम है. At 7:30 R and point towards northeast. In which direction will the minute hand face? मतलब क्वेश्चन ऐसा 7:30 पे R and northeast में है, तो मिनट हैंड किस डायरेक्शन में होगी? At 7:30, सिर्फ इस पे फोकस, इसको उठा देता हूं. At 7:30 the R and point towards northeast. In which direction will the minute hand face? ओके, क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया कि 7:30 पे जो R and है वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट की तरफ है, तो मिनट हैंड किस डायरेक्शन में होगी? सो फर्स्ट यू ड्रॉ द क्लॉक विच इज द एक्चुअल. क्लॉक के साथ कोई छेड़खानी नहीं, समय के साथ छेड़खानी नहीं करते, दैट इज द सेम. ठीक है, समय नहीं छेड़ना हमें, डायरेक्शन छेड़ने बस. 7, 8, 7:30. This is 7:30. And question is at 7:30 the R end point towards northeast. So this direction is northeast. ये वाली डायरेक्शन जो है वो northeast है. I asked you already, if it is northeast, this will be north or east? North. Because after north we have west, opposite of north south, and this is west. So which direction minute hand is facing? North. Let me ask a question. Try. At 10:30, R and is facing southwest. At 10:30, R and is facing southwest. Find which direction minute hand is facing. अगर 10:50 पे R and is facing southwest, तो minute hand, which direction minute hand is facing? North is southwest. South के बाद west आता है. So how it will help? After south we have west. This is 12. This is 3. This is 6. This is 9, 10, 11. Now here this one. So here this direction is southwest. साउथ के बाद वेस्ट है, तो दिस इज साउथ, दिस इज वेस्ट, अपोजिट ऑफ साउथ नॉर्थ, अपोजिट ऑफ वेस्ट ईस्ट. देयर आंसर इज ईस्ट. नॉर्थ इज साउथ वेस्ट. क्रॉस चेक भी कर लेना, नॉर्थ इज साउथ वेस्ट. आई ट्राइड दैट क्लॉक को भी घुमा के देखते हैं, बट आई फाउंड दैट इज मोर कंफ्यूजिंग. आई फाउंड दिस इज बेटर if you adjust direction according to clock. Clock को मत घुमाना, that is more confusing. Why? Because in clock we have 12, 1 to 12. Direction में सिर्फ 4 ही चीजों को एडजस्ट करना है. North is southwest. Direction, changing direction is much easier. I ask you one more question. At 1:30, at 1:30, minute hand is facing, be careful, northeast direction. At 1:30, minute hand is facing northeast direction. Which direction R hand is facing? At 1:30, minute hand is facing northeast direction. Which direction R hand is facing? क्या आंसर आ रहा है? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट साउथ वेस्ट क्यों लिख रहे हैं? एक नहीं लिखा है. देखो, if I have to solve this type of question, I make clock, which is a usual clock, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12. Then I see the time, 1:30. And here we know at 1:30, R end is between 1 and 2, minute hand is towards 6. According to question, minute hand is northeast. This direction is northeast. ठीक है, अब ये बना लो. If this is northeast, it is north, it is east, क्योंकि north के बाद east है. And what is opposite of east? West. तो अपना आंसर आ गया west. ये हो गया south. North is southwest. Fine. Need some extra question? नहीं, PYQ है ही नहीं इस पे. डायरेक्शन सेंस में हार्डली आई थिंक 3-4 क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड एंड दैट इज टाइप 4. डायरेक्शन सेंस में अगर जो भी PYQ है वो मेनली टाइप 4 क्वेश्चन है, जैसे वो 4 किलोमीटर लेफ्ट राइट, दैट टाइप. But I have to cover all the types. They never ask question on shadow. They never ask question of a twister. They never ask question north become northeast. They never ask this question clock plus direction. They ask only on type 4. ठीक है, जो PYQ है वो टाइप 4 पे ही मिलेंगे. ठीक है, नाउ ट्राई वन मोर क्वेश्चन. एट 4:30 minute hand point toward नॉर्थ वेस्ट. जो मिनट हैंड है वो नॉर्थ वेस्ट की तरफ पॉइंट है. फाइंड विच डायरेक्शन R end is facing. Step number 1, this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, this is 9, 4, 5, 4:30. So here this minute hand point towards northwest. So here you can make like this. Yeah. This is northwest. Okay. क्या था? नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ वेस्ट. ठीक है, तो इट हैज टू बी वेस्ट, इट हैज टू बी नॉर्थ. क्रॉस चेक. अपोजिट ऑफ वेस्ट इज अपोजिट ऑफ नॉर्थ साउथ. नॉर्थ इज साउथ वेस्ट. परफेक्ट. एक बार चेक कर लेना लाइक वेदर यू हैव टेकन करेक्ट और नॉट. नॉर्थ इज साउथ वेस्ट, तो वेयर दिस आर एंड इज पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड वेस्ट. अगर मिनट हैंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट है तो आर एंड इज टुवर्ड वेस्ट. फाइन. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट. Now in seating arrangement, we have three type of pattern which I already brief you. One is linear arrangement, second is circular, third one is polygon. Polygon is nothing, only the shape of the table is polygon, otherwise same like circular. सर्कल की बजाय पॉलीगन शेप है, हेक्सागन शेप टेबल वेयर 6 फ्रेंड आर सिटिंग, इट कैन बी पेंटागन शेप, इट कैन बी ऑक्टागन शेप, इट इज लाइक सर्कल ओनली. ठीक है, देयर इज नथिंग न्यू हियर. सो नाउ वी स्टार्ट विद लीनियर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट टुडे. ठीक है, टुडे आई हैव सम वर्क सो आई विल नॉट टेक डाउट. Some student they ask me doubt on number ranking also. Question number 3 and 10 I will take tomorrow. कल मुझे ज्यादा नहीं 1 hour 30 minute लगेगा. We can complete this seating arrangement all. Then I take doubt of direction sense, doubt of number ranking, doubt of seating arrangement. तीनों के doubt मैं कल ही ले लूंगा. So now what we will do question number 1 and 2 here. Same handout. After this answer key, you can see there are question on linear seating arrangement. P, Q, R, S, T are sitting in a straight line facing north. Not necessarily in same order. P is sitting next to Q. R and S are sitting together. S is not sitting with T, who is on the left end of the line. R is on the second position from right. P is to the right of Q and T. P and R sitting together. Okay. So what you do, you try this question number 1 and 2. I give you total 3-minute time. You try first. Done? How many of you are done? One more minute. P, Q, R, S, T are sitting in a straight line facing not necessarily in same order. P is sitting next to Q. R and S are sitting together. S is not sitting with T. Who? C, T, who? So who word is for T. T, jo ki, on the left end of the line. So you can start from this. T is on the extreme left. R is on the second position from right. P is to the right of Q and T. P and R sitting together. So what we will do, we take 5 position like this because there are 5 persons. S is not sitting with T. Who is on the left end of the line? T, who is on the left end of the line? The word who is for T here. I will tell you in detail tomorrow कि अगर इसमें कुछ और लिखा होता then what is that? I will explain कि who word किसके लिए है. In this particular language, T who, T जो की, so it is who word is for T. T who is on the left on the line T. S is not sitting with T. ठीक है. R is on the second position from right. This is R. ठीक है. P is to the right of Q and T. See here, before I discuss this question, I give you some idea so that we can handle this seating arrangement plus puzzle. Puzzle I will take later. Puzzle जैसे क्या होता है, in a building there are 5 floors. On one floor there is IS officer, on one there is MLA, one is wearing red shirt, one is wearing yellow shirt, like that. We have to match the information. So we have to read the information and we have to process. Same like these questions. See what is important here. I give you one matrix. Try to understand. We divide question in 2 parts: easy, difficult. ठीक है, question easy, difficult. ठीक है. Here I write easy and here difficult. Plus there is one more dimension I take. You have interest for the topic, you don't have interest. Interesting, not interesting. Interesting, not interesting. So here we have easy and interesting question. I think all of you attempt that because the nature of the question easy and even interesting also. Here you have easy but not interesting. Here we have difficult but interesting. Here we have difficult but not interesting also. Difficult भी है, not interesting. So we divide in 3 categories. One is this, which is manageable and everyone attempt that. Second is this. मतलब एक favorable है, एक non favorable है. Easy is favorable, not interesting is not favorable, interesting is favorable, difficult is not favorable. Yeah. ठीक है. This we can make it easy by conceptual clarity. Difficult or easy करना क्या है कि with our practice, conceptual clarity we can do. Not interesting को interesting बनाना, that is also task. Some of the question you find not interesting for you, but you have to make interest in that. ठीक है. And even this type of questions also, if you can make it interesting, it will be manageable. Difficult है, but interesting अगर कर लिया तो वो easy रहेगा. Manageable रहेगा. In seating arrangement question and even in puzzle questions also, I tell you, okay, what you do, you just try one task, and that is like national hobby also, to identify couple. आपने बस couple छांटने हैं, ठीक है, फिर देखना इंटरेस्ट अपने आप आएगा. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में P sitting next to Q, तो this is one couple कि P और Q next to each other बैठे. Second couple is R and S are sitting together, so there are 2 couples. I give you one more idea later. Puzzle को handle करने का एक और idea है, one more concept which I will discuss later. T who is on the left end of the line, S is not sitting with T, R is sitting here, second position. It is already mentioned, second position from the right, and we know R and S is one couple, P and Q is one couple. Like maybe you have seen movie in theater where you can see 5 seats, 2 for couple, मतलब 4 सीट्स तो 2 कपल के लिए, एक सिंगल बैठा है बेचारा टी यहाँ पे. Now here, tell me, without extra information, I will not use any other information. I don't use this information. Can S sit here? सर आर और एस का तो काम चल जाएगा, पी क्यू ने उनको जला जला के भस्म कर देना है. क्यों? क्योंकि पी यहां बैठेगा, क्यू यहां, उनकी तो मूवी खराब हो गई. Without extra information also we can conclude where S will sit. See here, just put pressure on your mind or have a interest. देखो अगर इंटरेस्ट पैदा कर लोगे तो कम प्रेशर डालना पड़ेगा माइंड पे कि हमें पता है भैया 2 कपल बिठाने. आज 9th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चे को थिएटर में ले जाओ, वो बता देगा एस कहां बैठेगा. आर यहां बैठा है, 2 कपल बिठाने हैं. इफ यू मेक एस सिट हेयर, पी एंड क्यू का बर्बाद हो जाएगा. तो एस हैज टू सिट हेयर so that P and Q can manage. Is this clear? The idea is with less information also sometimes we can apply the concept and we can see where S will sit. मैंने यूज कर रहा है information, still I can say S will sit here because we need 2 couple R and S and P and Q. If R is sitting here, we request S not to sit here. P and Q बोलेंगे यार तू उधर बैठ जा, तेरा भी काम चले हमारा भी काम चले, तो S वहां बैठ जाएगा. फिर एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन ले लो. P is to the right of Q and T, तो Q यहां बैठना चाहिए, P यहां बैठना चाहिए, because P has to be the right of Q and T. ये एक्स्ट्रा है. You want to use okay, if you don't want to use okay. इसके बिना भी आंसर आ रहा है. T Q P R S. Our question number 1 is which of the following is the position of P is correct between Q and R? तो आंसर ऑप्शन C. Where is P sitting between Q and R? Question number 2, if alphabet are arranged in alphabetical order, whose position will not be altered? Alphabetically मतलब P, Q, R, S, T. Whose position will not be changed? Q position will not be changed. If you make this 5% to sit alphabetically, P, Q, R, S, T, Q की position नहीं बदलेगी. Now let us try question number 3 and 4 also. Tomorrow's session is going to be wonderful session. I tell you why. Not only sitting arrangement, I will discuss statement based questions also. इन्हीं question पे I will reframe this question in a statement based question. जहां दिमाग लगेगा. Question number 3 and 4 try. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in row facing north. E and F are in the center. A and B are at the end. C is sitting to the left of A. इसको correction कर लो. C is sitting immediate left of A. You just write here immediate left of it. Just make correction in question number 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting in a row facing north. E and F are in the center. A and B are at the end. C is sitting immediate left of A. Try question number 3 and 4. Take your time. I give you 3-minute time. These are easy comparative to last question. मतलब देखो कुछ भी अगर नहीं बोला, लिखा तो है फेसिंग नॉर्थ, फिर तो कुछ रहा ही नहीं इसमें. इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन फेसिंग नॉर्थ, तो फिर तो आप अपने हिसाब से नहीं चलोगे, नॉर्थ के हिसाब से चलोगे ना. दीज आर द 6 पर्सन आर सिटिंग इन ए रो फेसिंग नॉर्थ. अब अगर आप नॉर्थ हो तो लेफ्ट कहां होगा, राइट कहां होगा? इट इज क्लियर, इट हैज टू बी लेफ्ट, इट हैज टू बी राइट. इट इज क्लियरली मेंशन दे आर फेसिंग नॉर्थ, तो देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन अबाउट लेफ्ट राइट. immediate left. C is to the immediate left of A. C is immediate left of A, sitting immediate left of A. यही मेन पॉइंट है, इससे हेल्प मिलेगी लाइक टू आइडेंटिफाई वेयर ए इज सिटिंग, वेयर बी इज सिटिंग, वेयर सी इज सिटिंग, वेयर डी इज सिटिंग. Okay, done. These are the 6 chairs. E and F are sitting in the center. We don't know where E, where F, but you fix these 2 chairs. Still, we don't have a confirm information whether E sit here or E sit here, but still you write E, F, so that nobody else will sit here. ये तो पता चल गया ना, इन दो पे E और F बैठेंगे. Then A and B are at the end. There is a confusion whether A will sit here, A sit here, B here, B here. But when you read next statement, C is to the immediate left of A. If A is here, how come C will sit here? So if C has to sit immediate left of A, so it means you have to make A has to sit here. क्योंकि वहाँ immediate left कोई vacant chair है ही नहीं. तो C here, B here. What is the remaining person? D will be here. We know the exact position of A. We know the exact position of B. We know the exact position of C. We know the exact position of D. E and F, there is a confusion. If E sit here, F will sit here. If E sit here, F will sit here. Question number 3, who is sitting immediate right of B? What is your answer? D. Question number 4, if position of B and A are interchanged, then who is sitting immediate left of B? Here, A here, B here. Who is sitting immediate left of B? C. So your answer here is C. Okay. So what is your homework? You can do remaining question of this direction sense. Do revise this sitting arrangement part. Tomorrow I will take sitting arrangement in detail. Not only about circular arrangement. What I will do, this same question I will reframe as statement based question. जैसा अब यही क्वेश्चन किया ना, मैं इसको 3 स्टेटमेंट कर दूंगा कि स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 E and F are sitting in the center, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 2 E and B are sitting at the end, स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3 C is sitting immediate left of A. To find where E is sitting, how many statement are required? उसमें दिमाग लगेगा कि सिर्फ एक स्टेटमेंट से आंसर आ रहा है, 2 चाहिए, 3 चाहिए, या आंसर आ ही नहीं रहा है. We have to think about that because that is like UPSC level. Because UPSC में 12 से लेके 12 to 18 question they ask in statement based question, which is very important for us. Okay, today I'm not taking any doubt. Offline, online student, I have some work. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have class for 1.5 hours. Okay, after that we will have a doubt session for 45 minutes. कल में doubt session. There is no test also. आज कोई test भी नहीं है. Thank you students.